all these amazing young artists. We have officially reached our goal of $5,000. Standing ovation for that. 5,000 in less than 2 hours? Come on, okay. Yeah, you did that. You did that. I think it's time to have a little celebration. Do you agree? Yeah. And who better to celebrate with than Neon Rain, y'all? You guys ready for some energy? Hey, listen, this is our last performance, so I want you guys to rock out and jam with Neon Rain. Again, thank you to each and every person for your donation. Thank you for the amp, powered by Strathmore. Don't forget about upcoming shows. They have plenty of shows going now, all the way through November. I just have a list here. You can gather a group at AMP, 10% off reserved seating, and your tab for groups of 10 or more. Also, make sure you follow the AMP at AMP by Strathmore on all your social media. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, AMP by Strathmore. And with that said, y'all make some noise for Neon Rain! And we did it, guys! 5K! 5K on a Sunday, yeah?
How's everyone doing tonight?
Hey, why are you guys still on your chairs? I think you should stand up. Come on, stand up, guys. Let's go.
Are we ready? Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said don't hold it back. She said shut up and dance. Wait. hurricane victims with Hurricane Harvey and Hurricane Irma. I really want to thank everyone for doing that. I want to thank everyone for coming out here. I want to thank everyone for having so much fun and supporting all this. And I'd like to give a special thanks to all the families that came here for the kids that are performing and everything, because nobody could do that without them. I'll introduce everyone in the band. So we have Lexi over here on the keys. We have Ellie over here on the bass. We have Caroline over here on the guitar. We have Alex over here on the drums. And then I'm Katie and I sing. Are you good? But again, thanks everyone for coming out. Everyone really appreciates it, and we reached our goal, so that's amazing, right?
The only jokes I have in mind are dirty, so I can't say that.
Should I say your joke? Should I say your joke? How do you get down from an elephant? You don't, you get down from a duck. Nobody gets it.
If you don't get it, like the stuff in your jacket, the fluffy stuff
Like the
is down.
fluffy stuff, like the feathers, so you get like the feathers from a duck, but like not from an elephant. Ha 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 ha! That's a neat laugh. Are we good? We Gucci though. Alright, let's do this. One last song.
This is probably one of our best songs, and most of you guys will probably know it.
And my more than you
school you go to?
Okay. Hi, I'm Lexi. Hi, I'm Lexi. I go to Richmond Montgomery High School. Yeah, and I play the piano. I'm not doing it.
Hi, I'm Kaylee. I go to Wooten High School. I'm in 11th grade, and I sing.
What's up, guys? I'm Alex Cruz. I go to Richmond Montgomery High School, and I'm a sophomore.
Hey, I'm Ellie. I play the bass, and I go to Rockville High School. Don't disrespect the Ville.
I'm Caroline, and I also go to Rockville High.
Yeah, to the bill. Okay. How long have you guys been together?
She's
Since 2010?
She's like,
I've been in the band since I was 5 years old. Yeah.
14. She's 14.
Man.
So she's like OG.
She's an OG. Okay, she's the leader.
She's like the OG.
Okay, OG. Yeah, OG. And then the rest of y'all did she put y'all on? Did she bring?
After that, I joined.
to the mic.
Yeah.
After
Leading
Lexi,
lead Mike.
I joined, and then and then after that, Alex joined, and then Caroline joined, and then Ellie joined. So
Cool.
and then Ellie quit, and then she came back so that she could play the bass for us. So
So she's the rebel.
she's a rebel. We don't like her that much, but it's okay.
Now, where's your music video? Which I got an album. What's up? What's happening? What are you guys working on?
We just
Perform at parties, weddings, bat mitzvahs. What do you do? What is
we do weddings, we do bar mitzvahs, we'll do everything. What? Yeah. What don't we do?
So
We don't stop.
you guys are awesome, man. Neon Rain, give them a round of applause.